guys, welcome back to my channel. How you doing? So today I'm gonna be reviewing hair from Slove hair. So they were kind enough to send me over this wig to review for you guys. This is what the packaging is looking like. It is a little bit damaged, but hey, we're gonna make it work. Okay, so yeah guys, let's get into the package. So it is packaged really nicely like this, which I really like. It looks so expensive. We love looking expensive. I did get some brown cap, which is the best color for me because I am dark, y'all know. So your wig will come in this little silk bag just to protect it, I guess. And I like when my hair come in silk bags. It's awesome. Alright, so let's get into it. So yeah, this is all you get in here. You mesh. Really. And yeah guys, this is what she is looking like. So I think this is the 20 inches or 22 inches. I will leave the link to the wig, or I'll let you guys know exactly what it is. She is a 13 by 4 lace closure. She has 1, 2, 3, 4 combs, and she comes with adjustable straps. And this is, she did come pre-plucked, and this is what the lace is looking like, a little bit grayish. So yeah, but I'm gonna try to leave the link. I'm gonna leave the link to the hair down below, and I might do a voiceover just to tell you guys exactly what it is. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead. I will not be bleaching the knots on this one. I'm gonna be adding my foundation, which is the Juvia's Place Zaria 320 foundation. I'm going to be using my foundation brush to do that. I seldom bleach my wigs anymore, but I'm going to put foundation on her and see how she melts. I am going to come back before I put the foundation on her and show you guys what she's looking like without the foundation and all of that. So yeah guys, I'll see y'all shortly. Is it for this wig here. I did not bleach the knots. I did not wash her. I didn't do anything to her. I mean, you can go in and bleach the knots if you want, and you should wash your wig before installing, but I chose not to do that this time around because honestly I don't have the time to do so. So this is what she is looking like. So you cut the package with the foundation on, and I think the foundation did a good job of blending the wig. It's not so bad. If I had to bleach the knots and then put the foundation on, then she would be perfect. But as I said, I'm not really wearing her out, so yeah. To be honest, I think she's kind of thin. In my opinion, she's kind of thin. She's 18 inches. I know in the beginning of the video I said she was around 20. She's 18 inches, and yeah, I think that's it for her. I decided to wear her in a side part somewhat, you know, kind of a side part kind of thing, and I like her. You know, she's a nice entry style wig. Is she beginner friendly? I wouldn't say so. If you are just starting out and you don't really know much about wig, this is not a beginner friendly wig because she took some work. You're gonna have to bleach the knots, you're gonna have to do quite a few things to her just to make her work for you, but she is workable. Okay, I'm just going in and cutting in some layers in her right now because she is kind of just straight like that, and I like me some layers. Okay, just to frame my face a little, I think. Yeah, there we go. Layers, baby, layers. I could get some more layers. I can get some more layers in this section here. There we go. Alright guys, so yeah, that is it for this video. I decided to do in a side part, and I know my baby hair is a little bit crazy, so for those of you who are not into baby hair, you don't have to do no baby hairs, but I kind of wanted some baby hairs. As I said, she did come pre-plucked, but you can go ahead and pluck her some more. The only part that was really pre-plucked was this part here. This part needed some more work, so you can go in and pluck her some more if you so desire. I didn't really want to pluck her some more because guys, I've been having bad experiences with plucking my wigs. I think I over pluck and they look bald, so yeah, I kind of wanted to leave her. As I said, she's not my favorite wig, but she's okay. The hair texture is not super silky, it has some yucky texture to her. If you are big, if you have a large domology going on, she'll be perfect for you because she's falling off my head, y'all. She's falling off my head. She is big, so she's not fitting snug on me. I have a small head, and this right here guys is residue from my Got to Be Good free spray, and that is why I like to install my wigs before I put my makeup on. Okay, so because I get so sweaty and my makeup is ruined before I reach the end of the video. All right, so guys, yeah, that is it for this video. I'm gonna leave the link to the wig in the description box just in case you're interested in getting her. She did not really shed, just some little strands here and there. I did cut the lace off and so on. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts on this here baby, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to be the most authentic you.
The obvious reasons true love is no longer in season. Who can you trust anymore? All they do is walk out the door eventually.